Hi everyone, today we're going to make roasted vegetable wraps. They're really easy and they're a great thing to make for lunch because they give you lots of energy to get through the day. Now you can make these and eat them hot or you can eat them cold. So if you're home for the day, you can make them and just put them right out of the oven into your wrap, or you can roast them in advance and take them to work or to school with you and make your wrap there. So here we go. Here we have some eggplant that we've cut into long slices. We have celery root, which we peeled and chopped up. We have some butternut squash, red onion, carrots, and some garlic cut into chunks. And we're going to toss these all with some olive oil and put them on a baking sheet. That is step one. You want to make sure that your vegetables are in a single layer on the sheet. You don't want them doubled up or they'll just stick together and start to steam themselves. So now we're going to pour on some olive oil and we're going to toss them to coat them, and then we're going to spread them back out, and then we're going to add some salt and some pepper and some spices. This is the fun part. Now I'm sprinkling on some salt generously, cracking on some pepper, shaking on a blend of Italian herbs. Going to give this another toss, and then we're going to add some sprigs of fresh herbs. Now I have some fresh parsley. I'm just going to sprinkle it around the top. I'm not even going to bother removing the stems. And I have some sprigs of fresh thyme. Thyme smells so good. And they're going to help infuse these with the flavors. And now we're putting this in the oven at 385 degrees. We're going to check on them in about 30 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. We just took them out to check on them to make sure everything is soft. And things seem to be progressing nicely. We're going to put them back in for another 10 minutes and hopefully they caramelize a little bit. Alright, 10 minutes later, that's a total of 30 minutes. We're just going to pick off the herb stems here. They've infused everything with the flavor. We put all the vegetables in a bowl, and we have some homemade hummus here. If you want to learn how to make homemade hummus, I will put a link up in the corner here, and I'll put a link in the description. And we're just using some regular flour tortillas for our wraps, and we're going to put on some hummus in the middle, and then we're going to build them up with veggies and then give them a wrap. That's a wrap. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed that recipe. It was really easy, wasn't it? Let me know if you try it for yourself. Please share this video with your friends, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye!